Hello and welcome to a step-by-step guide on setting up and installing ParrotOS on the Azure cloud. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of getting your ParrotOS environment up and running in minutes, accessible via a remote desktop client. But first, let's talk about why you want to use ParrotOS on Azure. With this setup, you will have access to a powerful ParrotOS environment that's perfect for a variety of use cases. So this is basically free course by techlatest.net on ParrotOS. Like we had covered a lot of things. We had covered ParrotOS course, we had objectives, then we had covered course content. Then we had covered introduction to ParrotOS. Basically, we are talking about all the key features and target audience for the ParrotOS. Then we had covered setup installation of ParrotOS in AWS cloud, GCP cloud, and in this video we'll talk about Azure cloud. Basically, in this video we'll talk about setup installation of ParrotOS in Azure cloud, deploy ParrotOS in Azure, provide step for launching ParrotOS in Microsoft Azure cloud platform, customization option overview and configuration settings available during installation process with Azure security guidelines, best practices for implementing security measures when setting up ParrotOS in Azure, stores management tips for optimize stores usage to achieve optimal performance on Azure. You can see this view for IT security and digital forensic operations, allowing you to assess and secure a system with ease. Additionally, it's a great for software development as it bundles a full development stack with the best editors, language, and technologies available out of the box. Let's not forget about privacy. With ParrotOS on Azure, you can protect your privacy while serving the net using the Tor network, ensuring your online activities remain secure and anonymous. Now that you understand the benefits, let's dive into the setup and installation process. We'll walk through each step from launching the pattern instance on AWS to accessing it via our remote desktop client. Okay, so yep, uh, let's move to our browser. On product and support page, you can find about all the offerings which is provided by TechLetterPro.net. It is artificial intelligence for cybersecurity. In cybersecurity offering, you can see the paradox. Click on this. In this video, we'll talk about Azure deployment guide. So you can click on Azure deployment guide. You can find the step-by-step process and guide on our website also. So you can check it out. This also. So this section describes how to launch and connect paradox and ParrotOS Linux and Azure. Simply click on this link. So this will retake you here as your marketplace, and here you can see that ParrotOS Linux net already open this. So log in with your credentials, and after login, click on Get It Now, then click on Continue. Taking you to the ParrotOS complete this process. So it will take some time to redirect you on portal.azure.com. So let's see what is our next step. So after this, click on Get It Now, select a resource group for your virtual machine, select a reason you want to launch the web, such as East US. Then note if you use this image is not compatible with selected security tag, keep trusted launch version vision. Select a compatible image, otherwise change the security tag back to standard. Error message shown below the image name as shown in the screenshot below. Then please check the security time to the standard. After this, option is change the number of ports and I want to take latest.net. After this, what we have to do is click on create. You can see create a virtual machine. Your subscription, you can also create a new group from here. So create a resource, root is a container or iterated resource for Azure solution. So ParrotOS demo. Okay. Name a virtual machine that is ParrotOS. Then You can see all the things here: reason, availability options, availability zones, then security type is standard. Then apart from this, already here you can see that security type is standard, then image. And after this, you can select authentication type password. So give user any username is you want to. By default, here you can give you want to, then give any password. After giving password, click on next, which is this option. Then here you can select the it is OS disk type. So you can select the OS disk type on all which is a standard HDD. So select standard HDD. Okay. And after this, what we have to do next? Uh, Click on next. It is networking. You can see at the virtual network subnet and other things also. Then what we have to do next? Click on next, next, and again click on next, next, advance, stacks, review. So you can see that your deployment is completed, and you can also get the message deployment is completed. So click on go to resources page. So you can find about the public IP address and all the things. So copy this public IP address. So let's see what is our next step. So a summary page displays when the virtual machine is successfully created. Click on go to resource link to the go to it will open an overview to your virtual machine. This step is done. In the left navigation pane, select the run command, select run service script, and the following command to change the password of the viewer. So copy this command and search here about the run command option. Click on this, then click on run shell script. Paste the password and run this command. We will get the message here. So this is what we have to do next. Run this command, and after running this command, all the password for the one user set you can access it to the web open putty, paste the public IP address and click on open. So let's wait for this because script execution is in process to open your putty. Your output is enable success succeeded and the password is change now. So what we have to do next again go on overview and copy the public IP, open the putty, paste the public IP. So what is our next step? And open the putty and click on open. Okay. So click on open, accept these terms, login as Ubuntu. a password which is set up in fourth step. You can see that our password is all also succeed. Now, what is our next step? Windows provide password for Windows user is step we have already do. Copy this command, paste it. You can see that it is also running. What is our next step? If the above command returns error response and given error, then run the below command to start the parent scanner and above command again. So run this command and run below command above if it returns error. So then a local machine using the minute to connect using VNC protocol, we have Windows machine first or the public IP address of the VM from the VM details base exchange menu. If the VNC is not connected, wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Even after one to VNC connection is not working. Parent should be local start ParrotOS command connected to one terminal using PTS showing step 7 and then connect to the ParrotOS VNC. So when you have VNC and see that the ParrotOS is also running here. So you can explore all the things and other stuff here. You can find out the application and other tools on ParrotOS. So now what is our next step? Uh, I connect to out of the box ParrotOS Linux environment via Windows machine. To connect your remaining machine using PNX plus same you can do first protect and equivalent in the VM detail space. From your local machine, go to manage the search bar and type Ramina and select or paste the IP address and connect with Ramina if you are a Windows, if you are a Linux user, and connect to out of the box Linux environment via Linux machine. After first logging up in terminal, then you want to change the user password. If you want to change the user password, so run this command and uh, change the password of root user. Once password for root user is set, you will log in with the username and new password. I'm connect to out of the box ParrotOS needs environment which comes with pre-installed ParrotOS program. So that's all what this will do. We'll meet in next video. Thank you for watching this.